my goodness, look at this. Cave of the Crystals is in Mexico. It has some of the largest crystals in the world. Many are 36 feet or 11 meters high. They have been growing for more than 500,000 years. How do they grow? The cave has water in it. Gypsum is in the water. Magma under the cave heats the water. It cools, it evaporates. The gypsum leaves behind selenite crystals. So here are huge selenite crystals. The Reed Flute Cave is in China. It was once filled with water. Calcite crystals formed from limestone in the water. Now they are lit with colored lights. Did you know this has had visitors for more than 1,000 years? How do we know? They left marks on the walls. Now this is against the rules. Chapter 3, Hunting for Crystals. Where can we find crystals? The areas around hot springs are good places. The heated water pushes minerals to the surface. The water evaporates. It leaves crystals behind. So here are a couple different types of crystals. Super beautiful. Ribbons of white quartz can be found near fault lines. Here, right here. Hematite crystals can form inside a volcano. Volcano activity sends them to the surface. Look for them near mountains. Did you know? Purtisan Mountain is in Nevada. Crystal hunters come here. What have they found? Smoky quartz crystals, white quartz crystals, and amethyst crystals. These are beautiful. What tools do you need? A hammer, a bucket, a pick, wear hiking shoes, bring water to drink, and always bring an adult with you. Keep your eyes open. You never know what you might find. So anyone can go to an open public place that allows you to dig for crystals, and maybe you might find some good treasure there. So there's a page that gives you activities and tools, and you can actually try making your own candy crystal inside of a jar. So there are the steps for that. And then here's our glossary that gives us the definition of all of our bolded words or keywords. Okay, so on the next slide, you are going to give me 3 facts that you learned about crystals in this informational text.